What if I told you you can earn 16% returns on real estate without fixing toilets, chasing down rent checks, or even owning a single wrench? No tenants, no headaches, no surprises, just predictable, passive income rolling in quarter after quarter. Sounds too good to be true. That's what I thought too, until I stumbled onto a guy named Nate Armstrong and his company, Home Invest. They've been featured on the Inc. 500 list, done over 1,400 real estate deals, and today they're letting accredited investors ride shotgun on stabilized multifamily properties. Let's talk about who Nate is, what Home Invest really does, and whether or not this is just another guru promising lumbos and landing you in debt. Before I start, if you're tired of scams and want a real solution for making money online, check out my #1 recommendation in the description below. In fact, early in his career, Nate got burned bad. Picture this. He's at a seminar in Phoenix. Some smooth-talking, high-fiving guru, let's call him Lamborghini Boy, sells him on a deal. Nate's wife says, spoiler alert, the deal blows up. Nate loses nearly everything. But instead of disappearing like most people would, Nate rebuilt. Stronger, smarter, safer. Today, he's risk-averse to a fault. He doesn't chase shiny objects. He chases cash flow. So what's Nate's new game plan? He buys boring, already cash-flowing, multifamily properties. No risky flips. No speculative appreciation plays. Just solid, stabilized assets in markets with job growth, population growth, affordable cost of living. Think, cities where you can still buy a decent home without selling a kidney. These are the types of places where rents go up, vacancy stays low, and tenants stick around. One current example, the Urban Flats Apartments in Louisville, Kentucky. 9 minutes from the Kentucky Derby. $6.6 million purchase. 66 units, 100% occupied. Projected IRR, 16%. Tax advantages, everywhere you look. And guess what? It was an off-market deal, meaning it wasn't even listed publicly. These are the kinds of opportunities the average investor never even sees. All right, so how do you, the investor, make money in this? Here's what you get if you partner with Nate and the Home Invest team. Small Blue Diamond monthly reports. Every single report from the property manager, reviewed and delivered to you with clear explanations. Small Blue Diamond quarterly distributions. That means a check every 3 months. Small Blue Diamond end-of-year K1S. Your tax documents are prepared and sent to you. No extra accountants required. Small Blue Diamond cost segregation studies. Translation, more depreciation, bigger tax write-offs. Small Blue Diamond, real communication. Not just when things go wrong, but proactive updates when they go right. They're basically your full-service financial concierge for multifamily real estate. You bring the capital. They bring the deal, the management, the returns, and the paperwork. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, aren't we in a down market right now? Aren't interest rates sky high? Isn't it risky to buy apartments right now? Well, Nate's got a response to all that. And honestly, it's pretty compelling. First, even in a recession, rents usually don't go down. At worst, they stay flat. In some markets, they go up. Second, real estate should be looked at in 10-year cycles. So who cares what your building is worth this year if your plan is to hold it for the next decade? You're not flipping NFTs here. You're building wealth, slow, steady, and strategic. Third, as rates rise, other investors back off. That means less competition, better prices, and more negotiating power for guys like Nate. So who is this opportunity really for? If you're an accredited investor, meaning you earn at least $200,000 a year or have over $1 million in assets, and you have $100,000 to $1 million to invest, and if you're the kind of person who likes the idea of real estate without the hands-on headaches, while getting double-digit returns, with all the bookkeeping, taxes, and reporting done for you, then yeah, this might be the move. Especially if you're tired of stock market roller coasters, unsure about crypto, or just want dependable passive income you don't have to micromanage. Now, is Nate Armstrong the only guy offering this? No, but here's what separates him. And hey, if you're more into virtual real estate or digital assets, no worries. You do you. But don't ignore the power of multifamily just because it's not sexy. Boring pays bills. Boring builds wealth. And boring might just be the smartest move you make all year. Before you leave, if you're tired of scams and want a real solution for making money online, check out my #1 recommendation. Click the link in the description to see the best business to start online, which made me over $26,000 last month alone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and honest insights. Thanks for watching.